So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and then type in File Explorer. Click on it. Now once you run this, you're going to click on this PC, and then you're going to click on the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's probably going to be on your C drive. Now once you're on this, you're going to click on Program Files, and then you're going to open up Java, and then you're going to open up the folder that comes up. And now you want to open up the bin folder. And now you want to select this path right here. So just click once over here, right click, click on copy. Now once you've done that, you want to right click on this PC and then click on properties. And now you want to click on advanced system settings. And now once you're on this, you want to click on environment variables. And now once you're on this, you want to click on path and then click on edit. And now you want to click on new, and then you just want to paste the path right here. And then click on OK, and then click on new. And for the variable name, we're going to type in path. And now you want to paste that thing again. Right click, click on paste, and then click on OK. And then click on OK. Now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and then type in CMD. Then we're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, we're going to type in Java space dash version and click on enter. Now you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.